Good morning. Welcome to Manufacturing Minute. This morning we're here with Betsy Mack Nespeca with Mack Industries. We're very happy to have you. How are you today?
Great, Kathy. How are you?
Great. Thanks for being here. So tell us, what does Mack Industries do?
Well, Mack Industries is a concrete products business. So we've been in business since 1932, so 88 years, and
Wow.
started out making precast concrete. We grew into ready mix concrete, and we do wastewater treatment where we actually build precast tanks and put them together with the plumbing and the electrical panels and install them to treat wastewater and clean our water. And we also have gotten into pre-stressed concrete products where it's actually stronger and can span further distances. And so we make a hollow core plank, which is a building product. Like it creates a floor and a ceiling in like a hotel. So
Oh,
we have
wow.
this range of concrete products that we make. And I guess what you'd call us is a full service manufacturer. So we don't just make the products, we sell them and we design and work with the drawings to make our designs work in the application, and we deliver them. So you can't call FedEx to deliver what we make.
No.
It's too heavy. So we have our own equipment to deliver, and so yeah, that's what we do. Is we build infrastructure. We build neighborhoods, schools, roads, utilities, and drainage, and that's what Mack Industries does.
That is so cool. And you clearly love it. So why do
Oh
you love
yeah.
manufacturing?
Well, I mean, I just love that we make things. That's always appealed to me. I have a degree in marketing, and so you wouldn't necessarily think that manufacturing would come into play with that background, but I just came around to understanding how cool it is to work and make things. And of all the things we make, a lot of different types of products. The coolest part about manufacturing is making leaders, and we really strive to develop our team members at Mack. We've grown people from a high school first job they ever had up into plant managers. Folks that came in as a driver of ready mix are now running whole parts of our company. So we also recruit from colleges, and so it's just this mix of people that come together and learn what we do, because you learn what we do here. So, and there's just a real satisfaction that people get from looking at a physical product that they made, or that they, figured out how to make and followed through and figured out how to do that. So from something that starts as sand, stone, cement, and water, we'll make a box culvert pipe. It might be 16-foot wide and 8-foot high. You can fit one on a truck, and we'll make 12 of them that arrive on site within 20-minute increments to be set by a crane for our contractor. So it just requires all this coordination and people development, and we just, we live for it. That's what we do.
That's awesome. And I know you have pride in what you do, because when I drive around and see things, I can, hey, wait, that's a Mac, that's from Mac. I know that. So it's always fun to see your products out in the wild being installed. So what would surprise somebody about visiting your place?
So I think first off, it's a bit intimidating because we have such heavy equipment. Really, there's nothing you would lift yourself. So we have all kinds of um, overhead cranes and big heavy equipment, because even a standard piece that we make may weigh 2 tons. And so
Wow.
there's sort of this really um, uh, kind of respect for the product that comes from walking into our place, because they're large steel forms that we pour concrete in, and then we have the safety and uh, care to handle it and not break it, and get it to our yard, and then load it on a truck, and then get it to the field with all that care. So I think just all the cool heavy duty equipment we use, people that like working here like working with equipment. And I would say another surprise would be just the length of service. Concrete's hard work, but we have folks that have been in our production plants for 30 years, and you
Wow.
can get good at it. It's something that you learn how to do, and it does not wear you out once you learn the skills. So if someone stays with us for 2 years, it's likely that they'll be there for 8, 15, or 20, and can really build a career. I would say another surprise would be the range of jobs that we have. A saying we have at Mack is that you can change career and stay at the company. So
Oh, nice.
maybe come in as one thing, and then you have an interest that pulls you in another direction. So we don't have kind of a straight up career ladder. It's more like a climbing wall. So folks can learn, toward drafting, or they could learn toward sales, or they could learn toward production supervision and quality. And just, I guess, the whole technology of concrete, there's more to it than you might think. As with anything, I'm sure there's more to making a rubber band than I realize. But in concrete, you have to mix the good concrete so that you have a strong mix. So that's one operation. And then, there's the making of the products themselves, and that they have to fit together in the field and do their fit their application for the customer and solve that problem. So yeah, we just might surprise you with what with what all the variety.
Well, and I think I love that you said respect the product, because it is very large and heavy, and there are a lot of large equipments in your plants to move it around and to handle it. But the security and the safety of the employees, I think, was really important as well.
Absolutely.
Everybody, I think I love the word respect, because you respect the product, but at the same time, everybody knows how to be safe, how to stay safe. And, there's no issue with, wow, this giant thing is moving around the plant, because everything's
Right.
designed so well. So that's
Yeah, and we're
terrific. Well,
and we're really having a lot of fun with our lean initiative. We've always tried to improve, but we've really implemented some nice systems around improving safety and quality and just better processes, and it's becoming part of how we do business every day. So I'm pretty excited. There's just always something new in manufacturing that you can get better at, and so that just wakes us up every day, and we get after it to try to take care of our customers.
that's awesome. Well, thank you so much for being here. Happy Manufacturing Month, and we'll look
Thank
forward to
you.
seeing you soon.